Hi, welcome back to Dining with Tim. After 6 months, we finally get the opportunity to welcome you back. Here at Best Foods New Jersey, we've utilized this time to rebrand ourselves and create new content, including a long line of cooking videos by me, which will be featuring seasonal dishes, family favorites, and holiday classics. Here I have my friend Haley, I want to wave to the camera, who will be making apple cider donuts today, which is perfect just in time for fall. Hope you're ready to learn to make some donuts.
All right, let's begin, shall we? Let's start by adding 1 stick of softened sweet cream butter to the stand mixer as we add a 1/2 cup of white cane sugar and a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar. We're going to continue mixing this on a medium-high speed to make sure our donuts are fluffy in the end. In a separate bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And every chef assures everything is good by sniffing. We're going to season our dough by adding nutmeg to really assure you get that fall foliage flavor, which is really good at the end. And a little secret of mine, I like to add a little bit of apple pie spice. Not a lot, and that's why I took it away, because she would probably have gone to town. We're going to mix this all together till it's a little bit incorporated as we add 1 room temperature large egg. Mix that a little bit more. And make sure you get yourself a good apple cider, and you want about a 1/4 cup. Pour that at a steady stream. You want to mix it until fully homogenized, and that's the consistency you want. Make sure you add a vanilla at the end, like I forgot right here. Thankfully, I had Haley to remind me, and she's going to mix that for me. And if you don't have a piping bag, you can use a freezer-safe Ziploc bag like I'm using here, but make sure that you cut the tip off about 1/4 inch through. You want to lift your bag up, and you want to twirl it around till you have that substitute piping bag shape. And make sure you spray your donut holes because your donuts will stick in the end if you don't. Fill each donut ring about 3/4 of the way through, and Haley is doing a fantastic job finishing up for me. You want to pop these bad boys in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden like that. Here I'm doing a cinnamon and sugar coating. Make sure you put paper towels underneath the rack so you don't have a mess in the end. Haley here is tossing the donuts in powdered sugar after I brush each donut beforehand in melted butter. Here's a beautiful plate up of the donuts to the end, and Haley did a fantastic job. I'm going to take one. I thought about eating one, but I realized I shouldn't. COVID made me gain too much weight, but I feel like someone's going to come around and sneak one out of here.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed Haley and I making these donuts as much as we're about to eat these in a few minutes. So you want to wave goodbye?
Bye!
Bye.